and you can't stop the rain. Can't stop the rain when it starts to pour.
Fuck the fire, we got grease.
It's a Wayne beat.
You can't stop the rain when it starts to pour.
I mean, I might just have to cut your water off. You feel me? You can't stop the rain. Money fixed a lot of shit, but you can't stop the pain. I just made a couple, dang. I just made a couple $1 million, I cannot complain. Could look the same since I left, but it's not the same. Being how you sell off fentanyl, it was not cocaine. I just blew a nigga block down, that was not propane. Nigga, you don't never get no pussy, cause you ain't got no game. Tuesday eating tacos, left a nacho stain. Why you tell me that was your jury, that was not your chain? I just hit a nigga side bitch, that was not your man. I get high as hell while I'm fly, that was not no plan. Cut bro off while I'm driving, that was not your nigga lane. Died trying to live a street life, that was not your lane. Rose from the ground, Undertaker, you do not know Kane. I just bust down on my jury, I do not go plain. You let somebody make decisions for you, that was not your brain. Beat a bitch down on the bed, I'm finna box your friend. Fell in love with weed like I'm married, you do not know Jane. Damn. Why you talking about like you married to the weed? Like you married to Mary Jane? Nigga shooting with his eyes closed, he play a scary game. I just woke up high as hell from a scary dream. Niggas got featherweight jury, I got heavy chain. I can't waste time with you, bitch, I'm moving on a better thing. I just pulled up with a K, let the letter ring. Bitch asked me was I in the field, I'm a veteran. Damn, I mean a veteran. I just hit a bad bitch, go to college, she in Kettering. I got all shooters on my team, who you better than? If I ever put you in the game, better win. All you gotta do is cut his water off. Nigga broke his tail, can't pay the bills, they cut his water off. Bitch got some ass shots. I just sit back and wonder, is it hard or soft?
You can't stop the rain when it starts to pour. When it starts to pour, there's no one else to blame. There's no one else to blame.
You can't stop the rain.